Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add appointments to Shopify. Whether you're offering consultations, services, or booking products, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. So first off, we want to navigate to shopify.com, and if you don't have an account yet, then go ahead and click that Start Free Trial button. When creating an account, you'll be granted a 3-day free trial, and then after that, you can choose any one of these plans for only $1 a month on your first 3 months. Now, this is a temporary offer by Shopify, so go ahead and grab it. You will find the link in our description box down below. And then after that, Shopify will take some time to set up your store properly, and then you will be met with this dashboard page right here. And from there, on the left sidebar, you can see the apps option. So you want to click on it and then search for booking in the application store. And the search result will yield a lot of applications that come with a free plan available. Most of these applications will come in with very positive reviews and happy users, such as Appointo, Appointment Booking, Book Easy, and Tipo Appointment Booking. Again, many of these applications offer free plans, which is fantastic for just getting started. And for our video today, I'm going to be downloading the Tipo appointment application, as this one does suit my own needs much better. However, I would recommend checking each application, looking at the features and pros and cons, maybe checking out the reviews, and then sorting which one best suits your own interests. And once you've selected your own application, click the install button and then follow the prompts in order to get it installed onto your own store. This process is usually very quick and straightforward, and after the installation, you will be taken to the app's dashboard. And then after that, you will be taken to the steps of setting up your first service and integrating it with your Shopify theme. For that, we would have to choose a service and then select a color for it and decide to allow customers to book this service for free. After that, you might want to add employees who will manage these bookings. So you can create a profile for your first employee and then set this available hours. This process allows us to personalize the booking experience for our customers, ensuring that they know when they can book appointments. And after setting up your services and employees, you can integrate the booking system with your Shopify theme. And this step is crucial for a seamless customer experience. And once fully integrated, it's time to test the booking process, choosing a date and time and filling in the customer details. And once that's completed, you will be greeted with a confirmation message. I would highly recommend that after testing the booking, that you would take a time to review everything, check the pending bookings, adjust any settings if needed, and ensure that your calendar is up to date. And this system not only allows you to manage appointments efficiently, but also gives you insights into your own customers' preferences. And that will be a wrap on today's video on how to add appointments to Shopify. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.